Miami
Yeah,
for
we'll
class
talk about it.
demonstration, and also we have a home security system. So I was asking you questions to integrate it into a home security system. In the classroom, we have camera system just like this.
Okay.
And what we are going to focus in is a perfect lead to what you have done. What we specialize is in AI callers, LLM, but running off of a server, but they specialize. So one of the specialties is home security. So this can be running inside the home.
Yeah, and then collect data and everything. This is actually 39 different inputs and outputs on it.
So let me explain to you how it will integrate. What is AI callers? Anybody knows what it is? Raise your hand. Okay, I explained it to you, so explain it to the audience. What is an AI caller? Using Chat GPT. What is the example that I gave you?
Yes. So an AI caller is like somebody.
With your accent, they can understand. It's not caller, even though you can understand. Not C-O-L.
Caller is like caller ID, kind of
Caller ID. Yes.
Yes.
So go ahead.
Yes. So you can implement a system where you can have AI calling clients of yours or calling people so that you don't have to take as much time to place every phone call. And then once somebody gets on the phone and is live, then that AI bot, I guess, will talk for a little while until you get on the phone. And then you can take the place of that bot. Which I was like, oh, that would be a big time saver in my job.
So let's apply it to her business, for example. She has a financial business. So instead of every tire kicker calling her and wasting her time, when somebody calls her, she will not answer the phone. Instead, her AI will answer the phone. And by the way, all of you can test it now. Take your phone and call 1-800-CHAT-GPT, and you'll be talking to ChatGPT. That is an example of AI caller
So basically, you can think about it.
that receives telephone calls. So in her case, and that is called the vanity phone number, which is our presentation here. Vanity phone number is a phone number that can be expressed in words. Like 800 ChatGPT translate to digits, and when you dial it, you'll be talking to AI. But
You
what?
got it? Because everybody who in the world doesn't know.
So turn on your
ChatGPT,
speaker so
right?
everybody can
But
hear
how
it.
many? So basically, why don't you? What is your name?
Nick.
Nick. Turn on your speaker, Nick.
Oh, I just hang up. Sorry.
Okay,
Can I-
call it again and turn it on, and let's ask ChatGPT if ChatGPT knows what an AI caller is.
Yes.
What is ChatGPT?
Ask what a AI caller is.
What is an AI caller?
An AI caller is a system that can make phone calls using artificial intelligence. It can interact with people over the phone, answering questions, providing information, or handling tasks, much like I'm doing now. It's used in various settings, like customer service or appointment reminders.
So basically, ChatGPT is our generic ChatGPT. So what they did is, in their hackathon, coming up with ideas in OpenAI, somebody said, why don't we have basically 1-800-ChatGPT? They got the number, just like 1-800-Flowers. They got it, and they put their ChatGPT onto a programmable number. Everybody has a phone number here, but you cannot put that number into what we call an LLM, right? But what you can do is you can get a programmable number that you can then install, basically an LLM.
Customize it to yourself. So in her business, for example, she's a financial business, right? So we get a vanity phone number. Instead of 800 ChatGPT, it will say 800 financials. When you dial 800 financials, it will, her AI caller will reply and will say, let's say that the business, what's your name? The business name?
Ameriprise.
Ameriprise. This is perfect. So
Can I help you?
I'm Ameriprise. How can I help you? And you'll be talking to it, and the AI will screen the caller. If it is a salesman that wants to sell her an insurance, she will tell the AI, tell him that you don't have time and disconnect. But if it is a customer,
Politely. You never know. Maybe they need financial advice too.
yeah, no, and the AI, they are going to give the AI questions to screen the people, and it will
Just
learn
train it.
yeah, this is the training part which we are going to demonstrate to you. Okay, here we have Mark, welcome,
Mark, do you want to introduce yourself?
from the
Mark?
city of Coral Gables, and I'll give you examples of Coral Gables.
He said. City of Coral Gables.
And Mark, we are I could so-called from the University of Miami. I'm Sarah Rushenick. This is Avi Rushenick. We're professors at the University of Miami, and as you can see, we're excited about technology. We have a number of friends here that know we're crazy, but that's fine. But coming down to the purpose is we try to apply technology,
So
not
let
just for
me tell
technology.
you specifically how it will, we will get the phone number, 800 Coral Gables, and when somebody calls the 800, the AI will reply, will screen them and ask them, okay, we have so many departments, we have emergency, we have trash collection, find out whichever department is relevant, and then it can reroute it to the proper department and tell the caller, listen, what is your department called?
Innovation and technology.
So let's say I have an innovation and I wanted to tell somebody an innovation about the innovation that we can use in Coral Gables about twin cities. And one of the topics that they are dealing with is twin cities. So the AI caller that is called 800 Coral Gables will reroute, once it screens the caller that it wants innovation and it is approved. It's not somebody that just wants to sell you something. It will reroute the call to Mark. And they have other departments in Coral Gables, trash collection or potholes or inspectors. One another element that we are working and will demonstrate to you is video recognition. AI that recognizes video, that transcribes the video, listens to the audio, integrates the audio to what it sees, and narrates it out loud so you can hear what it understood. Furthermore, it then stops and you can email it to whoever you want.
Or share it on social
Or
media.
share it on social media, the video itself, and the narration and the description. So those of you who are involved, let's say that you are involved in social media for the Tech Hub, right? And I take now a video of this classroom. In real time, you will hear the AI describes what is it and narrates it, so you can take it and publish the video and publish the narration on YouTube, and it will take a few seconds to upload it. Then you make a hyperlink on the tech website to that, and you got the description and the video. You have nothing to do. Now, if you want to improve it, you can always go to the studio, to YouTube Studio, and edit it. But if you don't, you're done. 2 seconds, it takes you, click 2 buttons, upload it to the email, and from the email, you get the video and the narration. Then you click, upload it to YouTube, and then copy the narration from your email to the description in the YouTube, upload and save, and done. And then later on, you can, of course, edit it whenever you have time.
Nice.
So this is what this first slide is. And another important difference is the toll-free and the local. What's the difference? When toll-free, if Coral Gables were using 800 Coral Gables, then they will have to pay for toll-free numbers.
Every time a call comes in, whatever cent it is, you have to pay.
The
Now,
carrier charges you. In contrast, what we are doing, we are using what is called local numbers. For example, another AI caller is 640 call Sam. The person with the phone,
What was your name again?
Nick.
Nick.
Why don't you call now?
800
You're our dialer, right?
No, you understand how to convert the words to digit. Most people don't understand.
So call 640.
Area
call
code
6.
640, and the name is
Call.
Call Sam. Call Sam is 2255726.
And it basically started with also OpenAI. Who's the head of OpenAI?
Sam,
Sam.
Annie.
You can access this service and video call me by signing up with this number
and blah, blah, blah. And you can download her app, her application, and talk to her. She remembers everything. She transcribes it in real time, and it will say, when you are talking, you and what you said, and when she's talking, her name and what
Just
she
like
said.
text messages that you can see.
And that is called history. So on the app, you click on the history button, and you'll see it, and you can copy and paste it anywhere you like. And then she retains it. If you don't want to delete it, she will retain it, and you can come to it later on. And you can run it not only on the phone, but also in a web app. What is the point that I'm trying to explain to Mark in particular? They may be tight on budget, right? And they may not authorize you to make any 800 number that you want. No worries. So you use a local number like 305 or 7686, and then you don't pay any money. And another advantage, it is also the area code can also translate to words. For example, this is an example on my hat, and I'll explain to you. This is a hat with batteries and all. You can put the network that he describes before inside here, and the server.
That's why Avi was so curious, right?
Yeah, I know that.
So what we are doing is we are using that to demonstrate video hyperlinks to top the SERP. SERP is Search Engine Results Page. That spells, look at it, it spells the URL with more biz, which is also a phone number, as you can see from here. That biz is the extension, equal 949 666 73249. So this is, you can see it here and here. This is what is called the URL tail. What does it mean? Is a telephone number and also a URL in the same thing. So if you want to know anything about me, all you need to remember is with more biz. You tap it on a search engine, doesn't matter what it is.
And it'll call him as well,
I will come in as number one. You click on it, you'll be inside the website explaining to you everything that I told you so far. What we are doing is we're taking it a step further and make it specialize in your particular